If you're interested in seeing this boho elegant bridal styled shoot come together, please keep on watching. A couple of months ago, Kayla over at Veiled and Vintage reached out to me about doing a styled shoot up towards Lassen, and we partnered with Sean Thomas Weddings, who has a very sleek, crisp style. I will link all of their profiles down below so you can go check them out, and everybody else that was involved in the shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I wanted to go with a very dark, moody vibe, but still keep it very airy and light. So that was kind of a challenge that I set for myself based on the mood board that Kayla had given me, and I think I did a pretty good job. I had that purple foliage that I just found across the street for me off of a tree, and the red Fireblaze maple, and then the Nandina is the little berries, and the pampas grass gives it that very whimsical bohemian vibe. As you can see, I originally had thought I was going to use the white dahlia, but I decided to go with the pinky peachy colors instead to keep that kind of darker tones but still keep it light. So the part of this bouquet that I have facing towards you guys is actually the front, and I've learned to do this based on just demonstrating for people and doing these videos. So I usually am staring at the back when I create a bouquet. So that's the back that I'm showing you right now. So it's just, I didn't even realize I do it anymore. It just kind of comes naturally now because I teach people and I do videos. So the last flower I decided to put in a clump of 3, which are these anthurium that are in this beautiful dark, deep, vibrant red, and I just thought they added a very modern vibe, which will match the arch later on. So that's kind of what I was going for. I hope you enjoyed seeing me put these together and enjoy the rest of the shoot coming together. And here's the bouquet done. I think it turned out so freaking gorgeous. Can't wait to show you guys the rest of this. Then we headed up to Lassen Pines. I think it is a beautiful location. You should all head up there to check it out. And I finished the bouquet and the centerpiece and the crown before I headed up, and then I'm gonna start on the arch. So because my arch is very geometric shaped, I wanted to accentuate that and not take away from it. So I'm not going too bold, but I'm going with the flow of the design. So I'm going straight up and down the side pieces instead of coming too far out. And I kept it very whimsical still with that bohemian vibe, but also very light and airy. If you all enjoy watching videos like this, leave the comment love in the comment section down below so that I know you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I thought this arch was perfection when I put it together, but check out Sean Thomas Weddings photos of this. Isn't he amazing? And our beautiful model, Haley Kay, she's a cosmetologist and does microblading and makeup, and she did her makeup for this shoot, and she did a beautiful, fabulous job. Our lovely little cake was created by Buttercream here in Cottonwood, California, and she added that beautiful gold leafing onto the cake, and it's just so stunning. I didn't get any video footage of me putting together this centerpiece, but I do have my Thanksgiving centerpiece video that I created, and that shows you kind of the process that I go through for this particular design. Click the card above if you want to watch that. The beautiful table and place settings were rented from Rustic Charm Rentals in Redding, California. This was my special project for the month of November. I had really set aside that whole day just to enjoy myself and get to know these wedding vendors, and just have a really great time creating and being able to create something new and kind of unique that I hadn't tried before. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do videos like this where I just take you along on a photo shoot or a wedding of some sort, and I do tutorials on how to put things together, flowers, crafts, and I also do like videos on business tips and stuff. So if you're interested in different videos like that, I'll be doing that throughout the year. So please join me, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye.